Components like this special socket part for F1 cars can be made on a 48-hour turnaround time here at CNC Leicester. When they've got features just like these though, they need to be done on CNC EDM machinery just like these from Eurospark. So Shahid, what kind of EDM components are you making here at Leicester CNC?
We have a wide range of products. Predominantly, we're supporting the F1 teams. We also have some marine work, and we do a lot of oil and gas work as well. These are the key areas where we need the EDM machines.
Why did you buy 2 new machines? Was it purely a capacity thing? And why did you choose CNC EDM machinery?
So we had to get another one just in case something went wrong. So we got a plan B there ready. That was a key thing. The benefit with the CNC machines is accuracy. They're new, they're reliable, and we can depend on them now a lot more with a bit of peace of mind, basically, you could say. With an older machines, there was a risk error. We could think, is the first part going to be right? We have to check it. But here, 95%, there's a good chance of accurate part. And whatever you tell the program, that's what the machine will produce.
Absolutely. And what are you using them for? Because you've got one die sinking machine and one wire EDM machine. How do they complement each other?
Okay. The original, we started up with the die sink machines. Then we realized we need to make some tooling for it. So these are positive tools. You could call them male tools, female tools, whatever you want to call them. To make the opposite feature, you need to make the die. If it's a male feature required on the machine, you need to make a female feature to cut the feature. So originally we started, in the beginning we started using subcontractors to make this tooling, which was quite a long time, lead time. We couldn't afford to go down that route. And then we bought a wire machine to do that. So we started with a second-hand machine, started walking a little bit, very baby steps, started learning how to use a machine, but then realized the breakdown issues and things like this. And to avoid those problems, we ended up investing in 2 new machines to cut down lead times, precision, and also saving programs so we can get repeatability on those things.
But why pick EDM machinery from supplied by Eurospark?
Eurospark are very local to us. After sales service is more important to us than anything else. Consumable products, items they have on the shelf, and in the event of an emergency, we can go and pick this up within an hour. We're back up and running here. That's the worst case scenario and an advantage to us. So that's why Eurospark. I know them for a number of years now, the company. When they first started the business, I started business, the first machine was bought from Eurospark back in 1998. The first hardest machine we bought as they were the agents. So the relation goes quite a long way back. And they've been very consistent, very good team of support.
And why is reliable service and support like that important to your business?
Time is the essence. Without time, we will not get this business. And sometimes we get orders here. You can appreciate some of the teams have got testing going on by this weekend or next weekend, and parts need to be delivered to the field or to wherever they need to go. And there's not a second chance. So this is how the industry is, and I understand this industry quite well. So we have to be very supportive, and we need that support from our suppliers as well. As suppliers are very important to us.
Can you just sum up why the Eurospark machinery itself from its technological point of view, and also there's a service support you get from them. If you could sum up why those things are critical to maintaining your business, what would you say?
It's as you can appreciate, it's very important. We are making commitments on very short lead time, and we are relying on our suppliers as well. As if in the event something went wrong or short of supply or something, we need our suppliers next to us, very close to us, and very supportive. And Eurospark, I think, tick all those boxes for us.